Alright, my people, Dancehall Skilla here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. So I got information that a man had been shot and killed by unknown assailant or unknown assailants in a community that is known as Union Pen, that's within St. Ann, Jamaica on Wednesday night. That would be the 10th of August, the year 2022. So according to information that I got, it is said that the man who had been shot and killed has been identified as Philip Taylor. It is said that he's in his 30s and that he is also a blogger. Other information that I got is that he is a JLP blogger. Now, according to information that I got, it is said that the Ocherius police reported that shortly after 9 p.m., residents alerted them about explosions that they heard within a certain section of the community. So it is said that the police responded and Taylor's body was found with bullet wounds in a car at a section of the community. It is said that he was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Now it is said that Taylor's body was found with bullet wounds in a Toyota Probox. Now, according to information that I got, and according to at least one news article that I read, it is said that St. Ann police say that a homemade firearm with 2 magazine holsters and military paraphernalia were seized or found at the home of the popular Jamaica Labour Party blogger. It is said that the police acted on information and conducted an operation at Taylor's house when the homemade gun and other things had been found at the premises, viewers and subscribers. See? Anyways, I have to leave it right there, some people, just to make you know information I get, and I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that a man was shot and killed and a woman was shot and injured at a place that is known as Eltham Park in St. Catherine, Jamaica on Thursday, the 11th of August, the year 2022. According to information that I got, it is said that the man who had been shot and killed has been identified as Reshan Warrell. It is said that he's in his 20s, and it is said that the police say that sometime after 11 a.m., Warrell was at home with a woman when several explosions were heard. I didn't get any confirmed information if explosions had been heard by residents or so on, is what I'm saying to you. However, it is said that the police arrived and found Warrell dead and the woman was suffering from gunshot wounds. It is said that the female was taken to a hospital where she was admitted in serious condition. No motive has been established for the shooting, and it is said that the police are doing their investigation. Now, I got information that family, friends, and supporters of the missing female and social media personality who goes by the name of Donnelly Donaldson staged a protest outside the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court today. That's the 11th of August, the year 2022. It is said that the protest was staged in anticipation of the appearance of Constable Noel Maitland, who is charged with murder for the missing female who goes by the name of Donnelly Donaldson. Now, I got information that Noel Maitland did not appear before the court today, and there are some allegations as to why he did not appear before the court today, viewers and subscribers. See? Yeah, and I also got information that Noel Maitland is to appear before the court another day, but I'm not going to mention that day that I hear about, viewers and subscribers, because what if this information is not accurate either? You see what I'm saying to you? I also got the understanding that a well-known person on social media who goes by the name of L.A. Lewis was also at the protest, viewers and subscribers. Stay tuned with Dancehall Skilla, because you don't know me, they have to keep you up to date and post it, let you know what's going on. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, and you can always check the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments to let you know what I know if possible, or maybe I do another video, who knows. So until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.